All right, we got these amazing adhesive eye patches right here. There are a total of 16 different styles. The one I have on, I got the Panda on. So light blocking, blocks the light out, latex free. Just some cute bandages, especially for kids. But dude, you're an adult, dude. These are perfect for adults as well, in my opinion. Although I think most people disagree. Great for kids. So here's an example of just 4 of them, different styles right here. Then we got 4 more styles right here. I'll show you. And depending on the number you get, you'll get larger number or smaller number per style, depending on the total number you get. So there's this style, and then we got the final style right here. But as you can see, just different colors, different vibes, different styles. The kids are just going to be, they're going to be enjoying. They got some sort of thing going on with their eye. They can still enjoy their time with the cute bandage over their eye. Makes some positive vibes with it. So highly recommend.